Outside of brushing and flossing, we also have these additional tools. Let me show you how to use each one. One of the interdental aids that we have is called the Proxy Brush. These are great for going in between the teeth if you can't get any floss in between, or if you have recession in between the gums where the gums are lower on the tooth. They have different sizes. The smaller sizes fit between tighter spaces, and then we also have wider proxy brushes that fit between wider spaces. When you use them, you want to angle it towards the tooth and just slide it in between the teeth, making sure you're not poking the gums. You want to make sure that you pick a size that's perfect for the space in between the teeth. If it's too small, it won't clean in between your teeth properly, and if it's too big, you can damage the gums. Proxy brushes are an adjunct tool to use along with flossing and brushing. Another toothbrush that we have is called the Tuft Toothbrush. It is really small, so it makes it easy to reach the back sides of the molars if that's an area that's difficult for you. Another area that it's helpful with is on the front teeth, on the lowers. You can brush from the gums upward, or you can brush back and forth. You can also use this toothbrush to brush around the pre-molars if that's another area that's difficult for you. Another tool that we have that we recommend to most, if not all of our patients, is a WaterPik. The WaterPik is great for getting in between the teeth and under the gums for patients that have deeper pockets. With the WaterPik, we recommend that you angle it at the tooth and not down towards the gums, because that can hurt. You want to make sure that when you're using the WaterPik, you follow along the tooth, and you want to spend about 3 seconds on each tooth. That way you're giving the water enough time to flush out the pockets. You also want to use the WaterPik from the tongue surface. And again, make sure you're following along the tooth, spending about 3 seconds on each tooth. With the WaterPik, you can add 2 drops of bleach to the tank of water. The bleach will help flush out the pockets and kill the bacteria that's in those pockets. If you need any additional help, feel free to ask us.